right, let's briefly talk about how to convert between metric units. Um, so this is a little, it's kind of like it's just a trick. Um, so you're going to have to memorize this staircase. Um, it will also, the conversions will be given to you in a sense that you'll have these values, 1/100th, 1/1000th, 1,000. So these values will be given to you, but you won't necessarily have this like staircase on assessments or things like that. So this is a tool that helps you kind of visualize what's going on. So if I'm looking at some example problems, essentially you're looking at where you start and where you end up. So if I am starting with grams and I'm going to kilograms, that means I'm going 1, 2, 3 steps to the left. So up is to the left, which means I'm going to move my decimal point 1, 2, 3 points to the left, which means it is 1 kilogram. Now, for the next problem, I'm going meters to centimeters. So I start with meters, and I'm going to go to centimeters, which means I'm going 1, 2 steps to the right. So I've got my decimal point here. I go 1, 2 steps to the right, which means this is 50 centimeters. So that's kind of a simple way to look at the problem here. You would, of course, have to kind of memorize that staircase and things like that, but the easier way to remember it is kind of this 1,100. So if I've got 2 zeros here, or 1/100th here, I've got 2 zeros, which means I'm going 2 to the right. 1,000 means I'm going 3 to the left from the base unit. That gets a little trickier when you're going from kilometers to centimeters per se. So you have to kind of remember that you're going 5 steps to the right and things like that. The other thing I want to make sure that you guys recognize, and a way to make sure you know you're going the right way with your decimal points, is the fact that you want to remember a centimeter is smaller than a meter, so 0.5 meters should not be like a smaller number of centimeters, or 1,000 grams should not be a larger number of kilograms, things like that. So that's one thing that you want to make sure, or a way that you can check your answer as well. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions.